After few days of usage, the screen is freezing, as you can see here. Hello viewers, actually I have been using iPadOS 26.4.2 and so many people are asking me whether this update is good enough or not. In this update, actually I am facing two issues. The first issue is with the battery backup. I am getting around 7 hours plus SOT on a single charge, but previously I was getting around 8 hours plus SOT on a single charge. So I think the battery life has decreased little bit, but after another update the battery life may be resolved and I may get 8 hours plus screen on time after that update, but that is not possible in this update. So if you are looking to update on iPadOS 26.4.2, in that case you must know that this is not great for battery life actually. The second issue is that sometimes the screen freezes. After few days of usage, the screen is freezing, as you can see here. There is no movement, only I can open the app and the drop down notification can be accessible. So I have to switch it off and then turn it on, and after that I can see that it is working fine. So this is a bug. I think after using it for a couple of days there is battery problem and also the screen is freezing. So as of now, two problems have been detected on this new update, that is iPadOS 26.4.2. Apart from these two problems, there is no problem actually that I encountered on this iPadOS 26.4.2. Performance is as smooth as it was before. Multitasking is also smooth and you can open and close apps within seconds. There is no problem in app opening and closing actually. And also in case of editing there is no problem, there is no heating issue. In case of editing you can edit in 4K 60 FPS. Now many people are asking me whether they can render 4K 60 FPS on iPad 11th generation or not. The answer is yes, you can definitely edit, but you cannot add too many filters, too many transition. If you add too many filters and transition, in that case you may encounter hiccups, lags, and sometimes rendering may be failure. So in that case you can edit videos, footages in short clips, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So if you want to edit 1 hour long video, in that case that may be problematic for you. So in the conclusion, don't update to the latest version of iPadOS 26.4.2 if you are getting good enough battery life and there is no problem in your iPad. Now if you have already updated to the latest version, let me know in the comment sections below how is your experience using your iPad. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.